Hi guys, today I have brought for you some important questions that may come in your upcoming exams for the chapter complex number. As you can see in the board, it is written the value of 1 plus cos pi by 8 plus I sin pi by 8 by 1 plus cos pi by 8 minus I sin pi by 8 raised to the power 8 is, and options given are 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 and minus 1. For regarding this kind of problem, what you need to know is that there is a form in which this can be reduced. For 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta can be directly written as cos theta plus I sin theta. A question will arise in your mind that how I can write this. So first of all, I am proving this to you that how we can write, then we will tell you. Okay, we can easily write it. Okay, first of all, you can some transformations, you know that cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta, what you can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I sin theta can be written as sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, in the denominator we will reduce as above only, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus I 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, so as you can see that 2 is coming common in both in numerator as well as the denominator, so we will cut it down, and we also are getting cos theta by 2 common, so we are getting cos theta by 2 common. So what is we left with, that is cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. Right, now you can do one thing, that you can multiply and divide the numerator and the denominator with the numerator. We are doing it for a purpose. In the next step you will know what is the purpose for that. Okay, so we have multiplied and divided by cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2, and this, as you can see, the numerator becomes the whole square, cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2, and denominator what it becomes, a plus b into a minus b. So what is that, a square minus b square. So cos theta by 2 the whole square minus I square sin square theta by 2, and you can know the value of I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into I square, that is minus 1 all, that is plus 1. And you can know from standard 10 onwards only that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So the entire thing is reduced to 1. Okay, denominator becomes 1. Now using de Moivre's theorem, you know then when a complex number is raised to some power, then the power gets multiplied with the argument. So what it becomes, cos theta by 2 into 2 plus I sin theta by 2 into 2. 2 will cancel out, and what it remains, cos theta plus I sin theta. So the whole this expression is reduced to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so we can write it down as such. Cos theta plus I sin theta, and where here what is the theta, pi by 8, cos pi by 8 plus I sin pi by 8, and what is the power given, that is raised to 8. Again using de Moivre's theorem, what we know, that the power is multiplied with the argument, cos 8 into pi by 8 plus I sin 8 into pi by 8. 8 will cancel out, and what will remain, that is cos pi plus I sin pi, and you know that the value of sin pi is 0, and what is the value of cos pi, that is minus 1. So the answer of this question is option D, minus 1. Now we are moving to our next question. This question many of you will be familiar with, as it has come in many exams or mock test you are giving, AITS or Akash JE or Narayana PMT JE, you are familiar with this question. Okay, so first of all you need to know the shortcut of this question, that if z plus 1 by z mod is given as a, then the maximum value is given by under root a square by plus 4, a square plus 4 plus a by 2. Okay, and here what is a is given? A is given as 3. So we will, in place of a we will put 3, that is 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4 plus a is 3 again by 2. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is 13, so root over 13 plus 3 by 2. So this is option B. Okay, now you will ask that if minimum value comes, what we will do? The same formula with a negative sign. Minimum value is given by root over of a square plus 4 minus a by 2. Okay, so memorize this too. This may come in the upcoming JEE mains or advanced exam. In JEE advanced it will come as a comprehension passage, not as a simple question. Okay, and I want to thank all my friends for supporting me so much, and I request you all to share it to the people of class 11 and 12 so that they can get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.